Hi guys, I'm back. So for today's video, it's another video of unboxing. And this time, as promised, I'll be opening one whole set of Labubu version 1. So actually, this is long overdue. Last year pa to. Last year ko pa to. Nakompleto. Pero ewan ko ba, ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ulit ng time. And also, parang ngayon ako nasa mood to unbox these things para rin ma-organize ko na siya sa lalagyanan. So anyway, so this, I bought them ng paisa-isa, which is, that's a big mistake. Kasi nung panahon na binili ko siya, it was during the hype of Labubu. So, yan yung mga panahon na almost ang isang ganitong box ay doble ang presyo. And also, panahon ng maraming mga fake. So, if you will check also my account, meron ako talagang instance before na nakabili ako and I didn't know that it was fake. Tapos ang dami niya. Tapos ang nangyari is dumoble-doble. That was Have a Seat pa nga. So yung Have a Seat na unbox ko na siya before, but this one is version 1, Labubu version 1, which is yung exciting macaron. So ayan. Let's unbox them one by one. Let's start with the first box. Basta, ang advice ko lang guys, if you're planning to get items like this, better to buy the whole set. Alam ko mahirap maghanap. Currently, naghahanap din ako ng Labubu version 3. Ang hirap makahanap kasi sobrang mahal. Sobrang tindi magpatong ng mga resellers. Yung mga resellers yan, baka naman. No? Okay lang naman tumubo, pero wag naman yung sobra. Anyways, let's do the unboxing. Let's start with this first box. So, unbox na natin siya. This one is Pencil box. This one is it's green grape. Tama ba? This is green grape. Actually, sa tagalan ng Labubu version 1, hindi ko nakabisado yung mga pangalan. But I know, but the green one is green grape. I was right. This is the second box. So, tapos na tayo kay green grape.